So if you saw my video earlier this week, then you know that the IRS was planning to launch a Get My Payment portal that would allow you to do two things. Number one, check on the status and date of your stimulus check. And number two, actually update your bank account information if they didn't have it so that you wouldn't have to wait for a paper check in the mail. Well, earlier this morning, the IRS has finally made the Get My Payment app live. You can go right online to their website and actually check on the status of your stimulus payment. And spoiler alert, I actually got mine this morning. So let me show you exactly what to do. Head on over to irs.gov/coronavirus/get-my-payment. I'll leave a link down in the description and the comments below. But once you get there, click on Get My Payment, then click OK. Then fill out the next page with your social security number, date of birth, street address, and zip code, and press continue. Now, the first time I did this, I actually got an error code, as you can see here. The site is probably drastically overrun right at this minute, and it timed out on me. I gave it a few minutes, then I came back, went through the entire process again, and finally got an answer. They told me that my payment was actually supposed to hit today, and then they also gave me the bank account number that it was supposed to hit. Now, you can see I already had my direct deposit information on file with the IRS, so there was nowhere for me to update my bank account information. But if they don't have your information, you should be able to update it once you get to this screen. Since mine was supposed to be deposited today, the first thing I did was log into my bank account and actually see if it was. And lo and behold, my wife and I got $2,400 into our joint bank account because we're married, filing jointly, and fall underneath the required income limits. All that to say, the link is live, so pop on over to the IRS website and check on the status of your payment. And once you get your money, you'll want to check out this video right here to see if you should invest that money or if you should use it for something else. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.